What's poppin'? It's your boy Cassius Cuvée. In this video, I'm going to show you how you set up a stop loss and a take profit both before you enter a trade and after you enter a trade in Breakout Prop. So this is what you want to do. First, we're on this right here, 𝐻𝐞𝐿. I like to have Bitcoin open here so I can kind of compare the price action. All you want to do, let's say I want to go short 𝐻𝐞𝐿. I click on sell. It opens it up right here. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to lower this amount. So they always do everything in lots. So that's 1 million 𝐻𝐞𝐿. We're gonna shorten that down a bit here. We're gonna do $3.25, say, right? So what you want to do is, if I want to do a market buy, I would just send the order and it would go in right now. But let's say you want to do a limit buy. So I click on this. I want it up higher. So let's say what I want to enter. Let's say if it goes up to 65.65. So you do this like this, 65.65. Boom. Then I want to put on protection order. Now this was pretty cool, is that on a stop loss, you have to click that and then click stop loss. You can do it by price. So 65.70 is what they're just saying, default or whatever. I never use the default, but in this case, looks like it's actually not a bad spot. But the other way you can do it, which is important, is by projected loss. So it's like, I just want to lose, I only want to risk $50. Well, actually, this is not very much money. Actually, maybe we'll go back and make it a little bit higher lot, because it's just not enough money. So if it's $325, $50, as you saw, this actually changed, would be 500 pips, and that would be the price if I lost $50. It'd be 7065. So if I sent the order, this is where I'd enter. This is what where it would trigger. Let's just scroll down here. This would be my stop loss way up here. So we're gonna come back and cancel that. Down here is my orders. We're gonna cancel it just by clicking this X. I'm gonna show you how to do it again. So you want to click on sell. Sure, it remembers your last order too, which is pretty nice. So it was 100,000 of these. Protection order, stop loss. I could do $50, but what if I want percentage of my overall balance, right? My overall balance here. I only want 0.01% of my overall balance, which would be 101 pips, which would be projected loss of $10.14 at this one right here, right? So, okay, and that's also, and that would be if that was the market price. So we want to do the limit. Don't forget to set your limit. We're going to do a little bit higher, 6.5, we'll say, or 6.6. So that's your stop loss. The other thing is also take profit. Put it in here. I can set it if I want to be also percent of balance, because with Breakout Prop, you can't lose more than 4% in a day, or else you're going to get your account breached and it's going to close. So that's why percent of balance might be good, because you might be like, I only want to lose 1% of my balance on this trade is the most I can afford to lose, because I'm going to have 3 other trades that might have 1% or something like that. So you can do it also by pips, which is cool because it knows like some tickers where they don't use that much, it's not that much liquidity. You can see each tick going, and that's like each tick is a pip. I don't usually use that. I usually just use price or percent loss. I know I don't want to lose more than $15. Put $15 in here, then it shows me what the price is, what the pips are, and percent of my balance. Take profit, $15. We're gonna do a 3-to-1 ratio, so it'd be $45. So go here. We're gonna go to projected profit, 45. That'd be basically a 3-to-1 ratio if this triggers, and then we're gonna send the order. So now, scroll down here, you'll see that the stop loss is way up here. Take profits here, and we could just let that trade ride. Now the other way is, what if I had this trade open, I jumped in the trade already, right? So I'm gonna cancel that order. So now I really will do a real trade, right? And it's going against me here. So should I go, if I'm shorting, it would be going against me. Should I go long or short? This time we'll go long, we'll say, right? Looks like this trend is slightly up, slightly. We're gonna go long. We'll do a little bit less here because we're just doing an example. $32, right? And I'm like, oh shit, I want to jump in real quick. So I'm just gonna hit it real quick. Market order, boom, I'm in the trade. So now that also shows up here. So instead of showing order down here, it actually shows it up here in my positions. Now I'm like, okay, I'm in the trade, but now I got to set my stop loss. I got in quick, which gave me this little green triangle. If it points up, that means you're long. If it points down, it means you're short, but that's what it'll look like when you close also as well. So I went long, so to open that, you double click on this position here. Just double click anywhere on that line. Just double click, it pops it back open again. And now I can add my stop loss. Now I can say, oh, I don't want to lose projected loss. I don't want to lose more than $1, which would be 100 pips from here. And my take profit, I want I want $3 on my take profit. So $3. It's 300 pips. So modify, and now they show up on the screen. Stop loss is down here. Take profit is up here. I'm already in the trade. It also shows up here. Stop loss, take profit, current price. Now you can adjust this, by the way, too, by clicking on these hamburgers. Customize your columns. There's other stuff I could have over here. Like let's move the close. You can click it once and hit add, or you could actually grab it and let's see, commissions. Grab it and drop it over here. Then we want to put it in the order that we want. So let's say actually in a pretty good order. Let's say we just want the margin used. We'll move it down here. Oops, doesn't like to move to the bottom one. Okay, right there. So date and time. Come on, like that. So that's it. And now hit apply, and now that adjusted information that's up here. So what you're gonna do is now, let's say, am I winning this trade? It looks like I'm losing it. Where's my P&L? I'm up 3 cents. So let's say I want to close the trade. Now the way you want to close it is you click this right here, this X right here. Click that. Everything, by the way, is in hedge mode. So like if we open up another trade on here, if I can just do it real quick, it would actually, this is another video. I'm going to show you how to have when you have multiple positions open. Actually, I'll show you guys this on another video. Hedge mode, because you have multiple positions open and you have this net aggregation on. Anyways, that's another video. For now, we just want to close this trade. Click like this, opens up this window with the closed position, or I don't have to close all of it. I can just close half of it, right? So let's just say, let's just close half of it. We'll say 5,000 of them. Close position. Boom. So now that I did that, you can see my closed P&L is 5 cents. All right, that's my margin used, but I still have an open position, which is worth 5 cents. That's your commission they took. But now let's see, what was that price they closed it at? Be it my trade history. But let's say I just want to close. I want to hurry up and get out of this. I'm just gonna hit this. It defaults to whatever's the full amount. It's a close position. You get out. And that's how you open a trade and set a stop loss after it and before. If you guys want to open up a Breakout Prop account, please use my referral link that's in the description of this video. Helps me out a little bit. Also follow me on Twitter, social media at Cassius 𝐸𝐸. I'm at Cassius 𝐸𝐸 on everything, Instagram, everything. But I post a lot of my trade stuff on Twitter. If you have any questions about this video, any other videos, or whatever videos you want to see, leave them in the comments below this video, and I'll read them, and maybe I'll make a video for you. But anything else, just hit me up on Twitter, and we'll go from there. All right.